Hello and welcome to the beautiful world of Aartistic Bake, and let's learn to make this customized unique brownie tower. So now to begin with, here I have a cake board, and on the cake board I'm going to apply ganache so that we can stick the brownie to the board. So this ganache will act as a glue. So I have already made my brownies, so I will place the brownies to create a base first. And as you can see, this is a customized brownie tower cake. So according to the customization, I'm going to make this with chocolate chip cookies. Oops, it is a chocolate chunk cookies, not chip, and some brownies. So here you can see I have applied a layer of ganache so that the top layer can stick to the base layer. And basically we are going to create a pyramid shape in our mind, and looking forward to that kind of a pyramid shape, we are going to create a triangle tower, and we are going to place the brownies according to a tower like shape, a triangle pyramid like shape. And we will use the ganache as a glue. And here you can see I'm just randomly placing the brownies. So you can use small bits of the brownies as well, because this is a rustic look. So wherever the brownie you are placing, just apply the ganache, and you can also use a toothpick to secure so that while traveling it doesn't falls down, because this was a customized order. So according to the customization, now I'm again placing the chocolate chunk cookies, and here you can see the beautiful pool of chocolate in my chocolate chunk cookies. And to secure the chocolate chunk on the places, the chips on the places, the chocolate chunk cookies on the places, I have used toothpicks. And randomly, once you have finished, you will drizzle the ganache all over. And to decorate this, I have used some chocolates. I'm cutting the pieces of chocolates and arranging it according to wherever I feel it will look good. I'm just placing it there. So basically, creating a brownie tower is something like a messy design of a pyramid. So here I'm placing some melody chocolate also, and some whoopie pies. If you would like to have the recipe for the brownie or the chocolate chunk cookies, don't forget to comment down. So just filling the gaps wherever I feel that it requires some chips or brownies. I'm just placing it accordingly. And here I have finished it, and the final decoration is some pearls and chocolate balls. So basically this brownie tower is for a chocolate lover, and I am also a chocolate lover, so I can design it much better, I feel. So it's just some sprinkles of crispies, and now some gold flakes to give a extra touch, an X factor to the brownie tower cake. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So now, as this is a birthday customization, placing a birthday candle on the side. Just checking for the placement, and now I will attach the birthday topper. So here my brownie tower is ready. Let me know in the comment section how is it. Thank you.